Today I'm going to show you how to make your own meme token on Binance Smart Chain, or you can use base or linear. This will be done in 60 seconds on DeFi Launch app, the new Launchpad on base, Binance, linear, and soon ZK Sync and also Solana. Okay, let's go. So you go to DeFi Launch app, you go to create token in the top tab here if you want to go through. And here they have a launchpad, a swap, a bridge, farming. Plus you can do airdrops to airdrop tokens to your users, and you can lock tokens as well. So here's the landing page when you get to the launchpad. Here's all the different sales that you can create. You can create your own fair sale here for around $7. Lots of different projects on here, testing it out. It's brand new. It's only been around for a month. And yeah, there's all different badges you can get for your product, for your project, for safety. So here's the developers tab on the left here. Let's go use that. Go to create token. Now what we want to do is we want to connect our wallet, Web3 wallet. I'm going to be using Coinbase for this. We can change network here. I'm going to use Binance Smart Chain for this example. So let's go. DeFi BNB as our token name. Let's go DNB. Use 18 as your decimals, and for your token supply you can use whatever you choose. I'm gonna use 1 trillion tokens. All you do is you click create token. The fee is only 0.015 BNB. This is the cheapest that you will ever find a token creator. DeFi Launch is changing the game and making DeFi accessible for everybody. Why go and pay $500 on other sites and launch pads when you can do it for only $7, $8, under $10 anyway, depending what the markets look like. Alright, let's click create token. Right, here's the fees here. So $8, and there's a network fee of 90 cents. Let's click confirm. You can also create tax tokens where you can add buy and sell tax, where you earn the royalties on each buy and sell on your token. But for this example, I'm just doing the standard token. We should get confirmation within a few seconds, and then you have your own meme token. There we go. It's that simple. There's your contract address. Now you have your own token. Let's go look on Binance Smart Chain. As you can see here, here's the token. The contract is auto-verified for you, so you don't need to worry about verifying. All the smart contract is open source, so there's no hidden codes, all legit. And here, let's have a look here. There we go. Everything's all contracts verified. Everything's in here, so there's no sneaky code. So you can't pull a rug pull or a honeypot on your token. So let's just have a look here. So right now it's the holders. I'm the only holder because I just created the token. So all of the tokens there have gone to my wallet address, which is the same one here that I've used here, 8271. Here you can see it here, 8271. Then from there you can airdrop your tokens to your users. All you do is you can go here, copy the code, the contract code. Let's go create airdrop. I'm going to drop this in here. Boom. Then you are going to tell people how many tokens you want to give them each. Let's say 100, and then all you do is you add a list of wallet addresses here that you've collected. Click approve, and it's also around $7 to do this. Super cheap. You can also create your fair launch. So all you have to do here is enter your contract address and click approve. I think we'll do this on another video though, so if you're interested in seeing it on BNB, I'll do another video. Token locker, you can create your own token locker, enter your token here, and you can just call it like marketing wallet. Then you can just say, oh, I want to have 1 million of the supply towards marketing. Then you can select a date that you want to lock it until. I'm just going to do 1 day here. just to show you how this works, and click approve. Boom. This is free to use. Obviously it says this is just a message that comes up for because they have it, because it's got access to your tokens. They need to lock them. They need to have access to that. And then let's confirm that it's free to lock your tokens on here. You can do the same with your LP. So we've created the lock. And then what else you can do is you can add your audits and KYC badges here. Oh yeah, there's so much more you guys can do, and everything's being added every week. So yep, hope you guys enjoyed. Come join us on Discord, on Twitter, on Telegram. We have a good development group on there. You can ask questions if you're not used to doing this kind of stuff. And yeah, thanks guys, chat soon.